Many of you have been curious about how I ventured into the world of guitar crafting. My journey began a decade ago in the vibrant but challenging realm of the music industry, or MI, where I've been shaping my career as a sales manager. But then, in 2020, as COVID-19 brought an unforeseen pause to our daily lives, I found myself at a crossroads, eager to embrace a new endeavor. It was during this period of global stillness that I discovered an unexpected passion, a calling, you might say. I've always harbored a belief that every guitarist should, or at least once, delve into the intricate process of building their own instrument. A journey that not only deepens your connection with music, endows you with a profound sense of accomplishment. With time in my hands and a newfound purpose, I began scouring Facebook Marketplace, where I stumbled upon an array of woodworking tools sold at incredibly low prices. This serendipitous discovery was the catalyst for what became a defining chapter in my life. As I immersed myself in the art of guitar building, each piece of wood, every tool, and all the intricate details involved in crafting an instrument taught me lessons in patience, passion, and creativity. Gradually, what started as a solitary pursuit transformed into a shared journey. Friends witnessing the birth of these unique guitars began requesting their own custom-made instruments. And so it began as a personal challenge to make the best out of an unexpected global pause, evolved into a passionate endeavor, connected me more deeply with the world of music and the people within it. My journey into guitar crafting is not just about building instruments. It's about creating stories, one guitar at a time. And this, my friends, is just the beginning.